Hi.
Hey, beauty.
Hi, how are you, Britt?
I am well. So, what have we got here?
Mead.
Yes.
Do you know what today is?
The day after Thanksgiving.
Yes, it is, but it's also I've been waiting and very excited about this day because we are going to be bottling this mead that we started about, 7 weeks ago?
7 weeks ago.
7 weeks ago. And so we're going to bottle it into this beautiful, isn't this beautiful? I love this. It was a rosé bottle, but I loved it. And so we're going to put it in here.
Yes.
Yes.
Cleaned and sanitized.
With Sandstar. We should open them as one of our sponsors.
Star San. Yeah.
Star San.
Sandstar. Star San.
Doesn't matter. What the heck? It's all the same. And then we're going to taste it at the end.
We are.
We're going to do a couple things. We're going to do a final gravity, which is going to tell us the final ABV
hopefully, yes.
Of the product, yes. And then we're going to taste it against the one that gave me the inspiration for all of this. So what have we been doing? So the last time we touched this was October 29th.
Yes.
At which point we wrapped it up, but then we did secondary fermentation with the American oak chips and a vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean, yes. We did that.
So we're hoping we're going to have some interesting flavors. And interesting in a good way.
It's exciting. I'm
not
looking
interesting
forward.
As in like, ooh, that's interesting.
I'm looking forward to tasting it.
Me too. All right, we're super excited about this.
But we will certainly be honest on how it tastes, won't we? I got some toys here which are going to be handy. This is
auto siphon,
as we've seen before, an auto siphon.
And we know this one's going to work this time,
which is for pumping. Yes, this bottle will actually take the auto siphon this time, so that's nice. And then this implement here is called a bottling wand. It's got a spring-loaded tip.
Don't touch it.
Oh yeah, I'll put that back in the sanitizer. That will prevent the liquid coming out unless you press down on it. And when you press down, the liquid flows and the bottle will fill. And we'll fill it all the way to the very top. Because what happens if you then stop it and then you take that out, the level drops by about the amount you need to put a cork in it.
Is that right?
It works out really well.
Well, that's handy.
So that's what we're going to do. I'll do this end and you do this end. Now gravity is our friend here. So you've got that. We will need to take that down below the level of this, otherwise it won't work very well.
Take this down below the level. Sure.
A second and I'll take this out. There we go. Got that out. And so I'm just going to pop this in here and start the pump going.
Should I depress it yet?
Well, yes, you will need to press it because you've got to let the air out as well. And then you're going to need to hold the bottle over the edge, probably where people can't see it, so that gravity does its magic. So here we go.
Ooh, there it goes.
Come on.
Oh, adding air. Magic of camera.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are back. Having got all the meat into the bottles.
So as you can see, this one's it came out pretty clear.
Yeah, it looks pretty decent.
Good. As you know, as you go through and you get the sediment mix in, this one is the cloudy one, so we'll probably have to.
We'll keep that bottled, and it'll settle. It'll settle in the wine bottle.
To people we don't like.
No, let's not. No.
Don't.
So out of a gallon, we've got 4 wine bottles worth and some extra in here. We're not going to throw this away. And I was going to look at the specific gravity. Actually, the final gravity. Can you read that or not?
What am I looking at?
Well, you got to see where the meniscus. You got to read off the number. I'll go get my glasses.
I don't know what was that. The purple or the orange?
Well, it's where the liquid touches.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. 20.
You can't pick it up, can you?
Well, no, 20. I know where the line ended. Let's see if I was right.
So so that line there is where the orange meets the grey. That's 1.0, and where it touches is it's about 1.018. 1018.
1018.
Yes. Which I believe
1.018.
1.018.
1.018.
Oh. And then when we did it last time. Look, it has not changed. So it didn't do any extra fermentation.
That's good.
In secondary.
Right. It was exactly 1.018. Okay. That's good because we added the vanilla bean and the oat chips, which isn't really a sugar, but the vanilla bean might have.
No, but it does indicate that the fermentation had finished.
Yeah.
Now, I think we concluded that what did we conclude on the starting gravity? Because I've got various numbers.
You didn't write it down.
I got 1.15 and 1.225 is what it calculated it should have been. So it was actually a bit lower than it should have been. So 1.15, 1.018.
And then here, the final gravity will be 1.025. And
with
we
an
are
ABV of 14%. So we actually ended up being lower than 1.025. So we
not
probably
by
got
much.
no, but we probably got a 15%.
Oh yeah, right. Because
I think we should taste it.
Yes, definitely. Let's taste it. Okay.
Oh, glasses are over there.
Yes. Hold, please. Okay. Now, don't show the bottle. I also brought over the one that we tasted initially.
Oh, so are we tasting that one first, or are we tasting ours first?
I think we should taste ours first. Isn't that that's the nasty stuff?
Well, it's a bit cloudy, but I mean, it's gonna taste.
Is it gonna taste the same?
Yes. Yeah, you won't taste the little bit of sediment that's in there.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
What about the
aroma?
what do you get? I get raspberries.
Yeah, I have raspberries.
Did you get any vanilla?
Maybe a little bit of sweetness. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. That is nice.
Now,
seriously nice. I definitely get the raspberries all the way through, for sure.
I get the raspberries all the way through, and I get the tartness of the raspberries.
Yep.
And it balances the sweetness of the mead itself quite well. And I also think the vanilla's coming through.
Yeah.
And it's smoothing off the finish.
Yeah.
I'm not getting a heck of a lot of oak.
No.
You getting oak?
You guys, everybody needs to come over and try this. Just come.
No, that's...
Comment below, and then we'll tell you how to get
here. No. No. That's pretty good. I like that.
I am really liking this.
That is...
but it definitely has a taste like, you're drinking something strong.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that for a first attempt, congratulations.
Do you get just the slightest little bit of fermentation, of carbonation?
Yes, because
on the tongue.
we haven't degassed it. So we should probably do that. There's a little bit of effervescence on the tongue from the carbonation that's still in solution.
Yeah, I mean you could have it a little carbonated.
Well, yeah, but you're not. If it's meant to be still, it should be still.
Okay.
Right. So
this is nice.
Very good.
So this is our first attempt at mead. And this is my blackcurrant, not blackcurrant, blackcurrant raspberry mead.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I finished mine, and I'm ready to try it against our...
Oh, yeah. So this is the one that inspired us for this.
Inspirational sample.
Mm.
To see how much I prefer ours to theirs. Okay.
That's really nice.
Gimme.
Oh, dang. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with that.
Boom. Boom. Done it.
All right, so we're turning it so you can't see the bottle. You can't see. This is not a copycat. Now, this is a lot more syrupy and dark than ours, which means that they probably used more honey. Would you say?
Yeah. So this is a deep plum.
Yeah.
Very deep berry color. Much deeper than yours.
Mm-hmm. You know what I smell in here is more of the blackcurrant, not as much of the raspberry.
I think that's because they've got blackcurrant. And we don't. We have raspberries and
Go ahead and stay tuned to the first episode about this story.
I'd love to speak to the manufacturer about that.
Okay, you ever heard dog and bone? This guy. Great Dane with a Tyrannosaurus Rex bone.
Now, I gotta say, I like ours every bit as much as theirs.
I certainly do too. It's different.
It is different.
I taste more honey in this one too.
You taste honey?
I definitely get a honey in here. Ours is every bit as good as theirs. Drink ours in the summer and there's 1 month out of the winter, and drink ours the other 11 months.
Anyway, yes, it's not a copycat. Ours didn't end up tasting the same as theirs. Quality-wise, theirs is a professional product, and
ours is a first-timer.
And ours is a first-timer. Much different in color. Much different.
Yeah, for sure.
Theirs is way, way darker.
So they might have just used more blackberries, more black currants.
Flavor-wise, I think good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed. Okay, so there you go. Our first attempt at making mead. Very, very simple. We're actually going to make another mead.
I think you should enter a competition.
You think I should?
I think you should.
Ooh, comment below if you think I should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, she's going to.
I am. Yeah. It's my very first mead, and I'm entering it in the competition. What do you think about that?
I think it's good enough to enter.
I think it is.
We'll see how it goes. All right.
Thanks so much for watching.
Like and subscribe for any future episodes.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll even tell you how the competition goes.
Maybe we'll come back with an award-winning medal or something.
Yeah.
Or a participation certificate.
Yeah, there you go.
knows?
All right.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Cheers. Dude, I am really proud of that.
I think we should have some more. Just
Yeah.
Dude.
Dude.